Hi everyone, we are going now to Bao Market together with this guy. Say hi babe.
Hello.
So mga lods, pupunta kami ngayon sa Bao Market kasi gusto namin maghanap ng mga nets para sa ano namin sa balcon. Yeah? Balcon? Balcon your face. Babe, what do you like about going out with me on a Shopee? What? Tell me.
I always enjoy your company and shopping necessity.
I don't have company. Today nga mga lods, no, kaya kami pupunta doon kasi nga may balcony kami doon sa apartment kaso wala naman siyang cover. Right?
Right. Always.
Wala siyang cover. So ngayon naghahanap kami ng screen. By the way, yung bus namin darating na. Malit, andito na nga kami, no? Konting kembot na lang. Hi, babe! Are we here?
Not yet, but almost.
Or 9. Where we should go?
Unfortunately.
Where we should go here? On this side. Ayun yung parang ano nila mga lods, parang hardware na parang Wilcon sa Pilipinas. Yan siya, Obi. May isa pa. What's the other one? Aside from Obi?
Hornbach.
Huh?
Hornbach.
Hornbach?
Hornbach.
Hornbach. Yun nga daw, Hornbach. Alam mga lad kung allowed kaming mag-take ng video sa loob. Patry ko kung pwede. Kapag hindi, di hindi. Check nyo na lang yung bibili naming screen. Bye! So yung mga lods, may nakita kami kaso sobrang mahal yan. Nasa mga €5.99. Tapos yung mga meters is sobrang liit lang. So hanap pa kami iba. So mga lods, sinanya. Naghahanap kami ng net para sa pusa. Pero nauwi kami sa ganyan. Paghahanap ng table para sa balcony. Say hello, babe! Pero tingnan niyo naman yung price. Oh my God. €549. So actually, maganda. Kasi meron na kami mga nabili. Pero we choose to buy na lang sa Amazon kesa dito. Kasi medyo expensive dito eh. So for now, we didn't buy anything because we find something on Amazon. So yun na lang. Pero ako may nabili. Pakita ko na lang later. Actually, ano siya? Solar lights, 15 pieces, parang ganun. Kasi nga para sa balcony namin, kasi yung balcony namin di ganun kaganda. Tapos may nakita kami sa Amazon ng mga insect net and so on. So, mas pinili na lang namin yun. Nahanap niya pa ako. Did we bought the things that we really came here?
Not really.
What did you say?
You buy more than the things you wanted?
Yes, we did. Like the things that we didn't really need, that's the thing that we bought here. And then the other stuff that we really need, we bought it on Amazon. So we're heading home now since we didn't buy the things that we really need from here. Am I right?
Always.
And you know what, we were trying to save money for this month, but I think we cannot save money again. So that's all for now. We will gonna say bye-bye. We will gonna give you some updates on our balcony and how beautiful it will gonna be soon. Yeah. So bye-bye. Bye-bye, babe.
Bye-bye.
What did you say?
I love you.
Ciao.